Hey Google, what's the definition of minimal?
Here's the definition of minimal. Of a minimum amount, quantity, or degree, negligible.
What's up YouTube? Dave the phone guy back again with another video, and today I got something a little bit different. My friends over at MNML Case, they sent me a couple of cases to try out for my OnePlus 8 Pro. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna pop these boxes open, explore it, tell you what I think, do the thing that I do. But I gotta tell you something. These guys over at MNML are super generous. They're giving me 10 codes to give away so you guys can get whatever case you want. All the details are gonna be down in the description. So without further ado, let's do what we do. Get into the video. All right guys, so let's pop this box open. We got one. Ooh, almost got my finger. Almost got my finger. It says on the back here, frosted white and matte black. So I love MNML Cases. Not just talking about the brand MNML, just cases in general that are small, compact, that don't leave a big footprint. I can't stand these big, giant cases that make your phone feel like a brick, even though it may very well protect your phone a lot more. It's just not me. Now, I can't rock a naked phone because I don't want to get scratches on it. Why can't I get this open? As good as it feels in the hand, I'm just afraid if I drop it, I'm gonna scratch it up. So I want some sort of protection. Something, just something. So what do we got here? We got gift unlock. Check that link out, guys. Probably get something cool. On the back here, the MNML design is free of branding and crafted to enhance the look and feel of your phone. These cases are razor thin at 0.35 millimeters. Each case is made for people who want protection but don't want to be a fat pocket Freddy. I like that. Never heard it called that before. Precision crafted. Precise cutouts to ensure full, easy access to buttons and ports. Raised bumps provides your camera extra protection. Fine texture finish that gives light grip and perfect feel in the hands. So right now, I'm actually rocking a Lou Later case. This thing's pretty dope. It's carbon fiber, super thin. I like it a lot. Big fan of carbon fiber. Let's see what we got. Whoa, this is like paper thin. Oh man, this is gonna be awesome. Let's check this one out. Check that out, guys. That's pretty cool. So it's got a nice bump to protect the camera, since the OnePlus 8 Pro definitely has a little bit of a camera bump. Let's go ahead and put it in the frosted. Get this sucker, bang, in there. Ooh, that feels nice in the hand. It's frosted, so it's not slippery at all, which is important when getting a case, because you don't want the thing to right out your hand, you know what I mean? Got a nice bump here to protect the camera, which is awesome. You got all your cutouts for your sensors, your buttons on the side, on both sides. So you're able to get to everything super easy. Man, it doesn't even feel like the case is on there. So my Lou Later case is pretty thin too, but this definitely feels minimal. See what I did there? Feels like there's not a lot here. All right, so let's check out the other case. Let's get this sucker off. Pretty cool. I like the stealthiness of the black. That is pretty slick. So, what do you guys think? Pretty cool? Let me know in the comments below what you think of MNML and their case. I'm all about keeping it simple, guys. Keeping it small, keeping it sleek. I like that look. That's what I always go for. Like I said in the beginning, MNML has given me 10 cases to give away. They actually gave me a code to give out to you guys. Check out the description. There's gonna be a link so that you can enter to win. And that's it. We keeping it simple today. All right, guys, that's what I have for you today. If I helped you in any way, you like this video, smash that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. Peace.